What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to factory reset Dell laptops on your Windows. So let me directly get into a step. First and foremost step, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the settings, and you have to click on this one. And right now what we need to do is just go over here, click on the system. Now from here you have to scroll down and there is an option called recovery. Now from here go to reset PC, click on the reset PC. And right now what happens is it is going to ask you a few questions like what you wanted to do, how you wanted to install the Windows and all those things. So first one, you need to select where you wanted to install, like whether you wanted to keep the files or delete it. So what I'm recommending you guys is you can go for keep my files over here, which means it is going to remove all the apps and settings, but it's going to keep all your personal data. Another one is remove everything, which means remove all your personal files, apps and settings. So you can go for the first one and it's going to do like this. Now what you need to do is you just need to go over here, download, cloud download and locally reinstall. So what I'm recommending is go for the cloud download, and it's going to take a little bit of time. So it is going to take more than 4 GB of data. So while proceeding further, you have to make sure one thing should be having a good high speed internet, or else you'll be having the trouble. Just go for the next and you have to install it, and this is what you have to do. Once it's successfully installed, you have to close this and move to the next step. That's what you have to try. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.